Welcome everyone. Today's topic is divisibility of numbers. So let's see how to find out the divisibility of different numbers. First of all, here we are having two numbers. First is 2, another is 3. First of all, let's check the divisibility of 2. So what is written here? If at ones or unit place there is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, means from these 1 2 3 4 5, from these 5 digits any digit is there at ones or unit place, then the number is divisible by 2. Let's see, here I am having few numbers: 24, 480, 697 and 5 456. So this is your unit, or we can say this is a unit place or ones place. So at ones place there is 4. So as I said that if at ones place if there is a 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, any one of these digits, so number is divisible, so it is divisible by 2. Here you can see at unit or ones place there is 0, so this is also divisible by 2. Now at unit or ones place there is 7. So as according to the definition or according to the divisibility of 2, at ones or unit place there should be 2, 4, 6, 8, but here is 7, so it is not divisible by 2. At unit place in next number you can see there is 6, so it is divisible by 2. Next we are having divisibility of 3. If the sum of digits of a number, if the sum of digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. Let's see with the help of one example. Now here we are having 192. We don't know 192 is divisible by 3 or not. So for that, what you will do? 1 plus 9 plus 2. What we will do? We will do the sum of the digits. This is a number. Its digits are 1, 9 and 2. We will do the sum 12. So but 12 is divisible by 3. 3 for the 12. So we can write, we will write here 12 is divisible by 3. So 192 is also divisible by 3. Next, this is the question number. We will see it is divisible by 3 or not. 7 plus 3 plus 6 plus 2 plus 9. We will see the sum. 7 plus 3 10 plus 6 16 plus 2 18 plus 9 27. So 27 is divisible by 3. 27 is divisible by 3. It means this whole number 73,629 is also divisible by 3. Now next question, 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 2. So your sum will be 13 plus 5, 18 plus 2, 20. But 20 is not divisible by 3. 20 is not divisible by 3. It means this number is also not divisible by 3. Now next we will have divisibility of 4 and 5. Now see the divisibility of 4. So what it defines, that if the last digit of a number, are divisible by 4, or we can say last two digits of a number are divisible by 4, or last two digits 0, so the number is divisible by 4. Let's see here, this is a 2-digit number, so 12 is divisible by 4. So this 12 is divisible by 4. Now you can see last two digits are 18. So 18 does not, we can't divide 18 by 4. So 18 is not divisible by 4. Now you will see here last two digits. It is a 3-digit number, so we will take last two digits. Now 92 you can divide by 4. 4 1 is 4. Sorry, 4 2 is 8. Here 1 2 4 3 is 5. Division complete. 90 last two digits are divisible by 4. It means whole 192 is also divisible by 4. Now you can take, there are two conditions in divisibility of 4. Either the last two digits are divisible by 4 or last two digits should be 0. So in this number, last two digits means ones and tens place. Ones and tens place, these two digits are 0. It means this number is also divisible by 4. Now we are having a big number here, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 78,000, 78 lakhs 94,516. For this also what you will do, you will take last two digits. 16 is divisible by 4, so this whole number is divisible by 4. Divisibility of 5, if at one's place there is 0 or 5, so the number is divisible by 5. So here one's place, it is 5, 0, 4. So here at one's place there is 5, it means this number is divisible by 5. Here 0 at one's place, so this number is also divisible by 5. Here one's place there is 5, so this number is also divisible by 5. Here is 0, this number is also divisible by 5. At one's place there is 7, this is not divisible by 5. Next we will have divisibility of 6 and 7. Now divisibility of 6. According to the divisibility of 6, if a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then that number is divisible by 6. In this we will check the divisibility of 2 and 3 both, and you know the divisibility of 2 and 3. Let's see example here, 216. So first of all we will check the divisibility of 2, because at one's place there is 6, that means this number is divisible by 2. Now we will see, we will do the sum of, because the divisibility of 3 means sum of the digits. We will add 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 6, 9 it is coming. 9 is divisible by 3, it means 216 is also divisible by 3. Now both are coming, yes. So 216 is divisible by 6. Same here. At one's place there is 2, it means it is divisible by 2. We will do the sum of the digits. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9. 9 is divisible by 2, sorry 9 is divisible by 3. So the 522 is also divisible by 3. Now for both it is coming, yes. So we can write 522 is divisible by 6. But one thing here, what we have to remember, that if any given number is not divisible by 2 or 3, then that number will not be divisible by 6. What is important? Divisibility should be clear for both, or we can say yes for both. If any one of them is saying no, it means that number will not divisible by 6. Now the divisibility of 7. If last digit multiplied by 2 and the product subtracted from the rest of the number, if the product is subtracted from the rest of the number and the difference is divisible by 7, so that the number also divisible by 7. Now what we have to do, this last digit, this you have to multiply by 7. 7 to the 14 you will get. This 14 you will subtract from the rest of the number, from 17. 77 you can subtract 14. Here you will get 63. 63 is divisible by 7. It means 777 is also divisible by 7. Here this is your last or unit place. This you can multiply by 2. You will get 6. This 6 subtract from the rest of the number. 34 minus 6. You will get here 8, 2. So 28 is divisible by 7. It means 3, 4, 3 is also divisible by 7. Next we will have the divisibility of 8 and 9. Now see the divisibility of 8. If last 3 digits are divisible by 8 or last 3 digits 0, so the number is divisible by 8. Now you can see we are having a number, this last 3 digits we will see these three digits are divisible by 8 or not. 2, 4, 8 divided by 8. 8 3 are 24. 8, 8 1 8. Now last three digits are divisible by 8. It means 2, 8, 2, 4, 8 also divisible by 8. Now next, if last three digits are 0, then also the number is divisible by 8. 7000 divisible by 8. Next we are having divisibility of 9. It is same like divisibility of 3. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, so the number is also divisible by 9. Here we are having a number 39,627. So we will find out the sum of the digit. 3 plus 9 plus 6 plus 2 plus 7 equal to 27. 27 is divisible by 9. It means 39,627 is also divisible by 9. Next, divisibility of 10. If at ones place there is 0, so the number is divisible by 10. So here you can see at ones place there is 0. 1000 divisible by 10. At in 100 also you can see at ones place 0. 100 is also divisible. 150 at ones place 0. 150 is also divisible by 10. And in 130 at ones place there is 0. It means 130 is also divisible by 10. Now divisibility of 11. If the difference of the sum of the digits at odd places and the sum of the digits at even places is multiple of 11 or 0, then the number is divisible by 11. Let's see how to do it. This first place you can assume this is odd place, second is even, then this is odd place, then even, so on. Then first, then odd, even, like that it will go. Now what we have to do, we will do the sum of odd places, means this 2 plus 8. Next, sum of even places equal to, here this is 7 and this is 9. 7 plus 2. Like this we will do the sum, and later on we will do their difference. Now the difference, see this is difference will come, sum of odd means here 10, here 9. So 10 minus 9, which is equal to 1. 1 is not multiple of 11. So 2782 not divisible. Divisible by. Now let's have a more example where the number is going to be divisible. See this one. We will write again another number. Another number I am having. See, it is 8470803. So first I told you, first you will write odd, then even, then odd, even, odd, even, odd. So difference equal to sum of odds. Sum of odd places minus sum of even places. Odd places 8 plus 7 plus 8 plus 3 minus even places 4 plus 0 plus 0. So here you will have 15 plus 8, 23 plus 3, 26 minus 4, which is equal to 22. And 22 is a multiple of 11. So 8470803 divisible by 11. 22 is multiple of 11. So by that you can do the divisibility of all the numbers. Till then, have a good day.